So now that we have our Unruly Splats set up, we're gonna go ahead and load some basic tutorials. So we're gonna click the user tray icon and click Unruly Tutorials, Splat Basics, and load tutorial. Now we're gonna press start. So we're gonna swipe to continue. And now it says to look at the starting block, and we're gonna place it in the programming area. So you're gonna wanna tap and drag. Next step is to look at the lights block, and we're gonna wanna drag it down right below it. There we go, like a little puzzle piece. And now we're gonna wanna continue, and boom, there we go, the light is green. So now we're gonna press, we're gonna wanna change the color, and we could choose maybe random. There we go, and swipe it. Now, the light is blue, voila. Now we're gonna continue the tutorials, and we're gonna wanna add some sound programs. So we're gonna swipe, click, and drag right under it. There we go. And now we're gonna wanna change the lights and the sound by pressing, now it's pink. Okay, now we're gonna go to the scoring tab. We're gonna click, and then we're gonna wanna drag this down right below it. So click, and drag. There we go. Now we're gonna wanna press, and see, now the score went up to 1, easy. Now we're gonna go to the controls block, and we're gonna start with that. So we're gonna click and drag it right under this. We're gonna press that, and then we're gonna look at the lights block, and we're gonna change it to a different color. There we go. We can do yellow. Now we swipe, and then we're gonna change this to off, so it switches off. And now, there we go, easy peasy. Now we can exit.